But you're feeling okay? That guy sucker punched you, it's okay? That video?
Let's go, let's go.
When you were sparring him.
Back up. Hey, Floyd, right here. Let me take a Floyd.
He missed?
How are you?
Hey, let me take a picture.
Take a picture.
Hey, sir.
People love you, Floyd, huh?
Hey, Floyd, right here.
You love him?
I love you.
Floyd, let me get a pic right here.
We're here for Diego Magdaleno.
This one picture.
Floyd, let me get a pic right here.
Hey, can I take a picture with the lady?
I just seen Ricky and Fred.
Right there.
Thanks, bro.
So the last thing, message to your fans at home. Last thing, message to your fans at home. Message to your fans while watching. What's your message?
Well, I don't really have message to fans at home.
Come on now.
My message would be to everybody. I tell you what I'm saying. Everybody knows.
I don't know about all that much.
You don't think so?
Thank you.
Man, would you please? Wait a minute.
Hey, nobody needs to hear a rhyme because we hear it all the time.
Man, would you please shut your faggot ass up?
Hey, tell him what's up right here.
Shut your faggot ass down somewhere. Yeah, well, guess what? Here, you can go right now.
He didn't want none with me.
Put your hand up and beat your ass. You scary punk.
What did you say to me, homie?
You scary sissy. I stood right here. You scared, man. Like a whoop your ass.
Yo, you showed him. That hurt somebody.
People love Floyd Sr. Why do they love him so much?
He the man.
He the man? Did you guys see his video on World Hot Star Hip Hop with that white guy that he was sparring? What do you think about that?
Because he trained me.
He trains you? What's it like? What's your name?
Mickey Bay.
Mickey Bay. What's it like to be trained by Floyd Sr.?
He shut up when I
great,
talk.
you know.
He talking shit. You shut up. Zip your mouth.
You know there's the #1 video out right now, his video, the sparring. You've seen it, right? You were there at the gym that day?
Yes, sir.
What happened? Explain it.
Just a dude talking junk, you know, and you saw the technique Floyd got. Then Floyd got it from his dad.
Yeah, your son got it from you, definitely, those reflexes. That was amazing. How old are you now, Floyd? but you punished that kid in there. He thought he's all that.
Yes, well.
And you hit him so hard he jumped out of the ring, right? Like over the
He
ropes.
crawled up the ring.
He crawled, and then he chased you afterwards when your back was turned.
Well, I think he wanted to make it look like he was gonna do something to me, but I wasn't worried about it because the people behind me took care of all that.
I saw in the end. Was that you?
No, it wasn't him.
But you train him. This is Floyd Sr. He's a boxing legend.
Hey, do you mind telling us what happened afterwards, after the camera went off?
Real champ right here. That's right. Real champ.
There you have it, Floyd Sr., the one and only. Stay tuned for more in Vegas for ESNewsReporting.com. I'm Eddie Sekbak reporting. Reporting.